Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will explore the diverse celebrations of Makara Sankranti in India. You will get to know about the cultures and traditions of different Indian states. Let's get started. Makara Sankranti, also known as Pedda Pandugri in Andhra Pradesh, Magh Bihu in Assam, Uttarayan in Gujarat, and Pongal in Tamil Nadu is a significant festival celebrated across India. Makara Sankranti is primarily a harvest festival, celebrating the abundance of crops after months of hard work by farmers. In various regions of India, the festival is marked by the preparation of special dishes made from newly harvested crop. The act of preparing and sharing in such a way is a symbol of thanksgiving for the bountiful harvest. 4 days of festivities. In most parts of southern India, Makara Sankranti is a 4-day affair. The festivities begin with Bhogi, when people engage in a ritual where old and unused household items are gathered and burnt in a bonfire. This symbolizes the discarding of the old and welcoming of the new. The second and main day of celebration, Makara Sankranti or Pongal, is marked by the preparation of the traditional dish called Pongal. Families come together to cook a special type of Pongal using newly harvested rice, jaggery, and other ingredients. Women create intricate and colorful mugulu or column, decorative floor art, designs at the entrances of their homes, adding to the festive atmosphere. The third day is known as Kanum or Mattu Pongal, when people worship and offer prayers to livestock, expressing gratitude for their contribution to agriculture and daily life. People also participate in traditional games and cultural activities. Jallikattu in Tamil Nadu or Kambala and bull racing in some regions of Karnataka are organized as part of the festivities. On the final day Mukkanuma or Kanam Pongal, families come together for outings, picnics, and other recreational activities. In Karnataka, on Sankranti people prepare and consume a mixture called Ellu Bela, made from sesame seeds, jaggery, coconut, peanuts, and gram. One of the key aspects of Sankranti in Kerala is the annual pilgrimage to the Sabrimala temple. The Makara Vilakku festival at Sabrimala is a major event, drawing devotees from across the state and beyond. The temple is adorned with lights, and the ceremonial Deeparadhana, lighting of lamps, takes place, marking the conclusion of the Sabrimala pilgrimage season. As people come together to celebrate the harvest, offer gratitude to the sun, and engage in cultural festivities, Makara Sankranti becomes a symbol of joy, renewal, and the timeless connection between humans and nature. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Makara Sankranti is a vibrant and widely celebrated Indian festival of harvest, unity, and renewal. The 4-day festivities include rituals, traditional dishes like Pongal and Ellu Bela, and traditional games like Jallikattu, Kambala, and bull racing in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Sankranti in Kerala is marked by the annual pilgrimage to the Sabrimala temple, where the Makara Vilakku festival is celebrated. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.